Those are our pods in the background. We slept there last night. Woo. And there's our view. How amazing.
Maria's turn is up.
First thing.
I'm ready.
Go Bears!
Go Bears!
Let's go. Very good.
Gracias.
Step in this rock.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Bye.
Bye, Paulette.
Let's go for it. Keep going, don't brace.
Oh my god, I wasn't watching for your arms, I'm sorry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I don't think you broke. Did you hold on to the wire? Look at that shot right there. That's so pretty. Okay, Paulette and Andre. 1, 2, 3, yay! Are there any ones that are okay to let go?
How let go?
Just hold on. Let me.
Loca.
No.
If you just let go and don't grab and don't make any signal, you will break very hard.
Oh
The
well,
guy will
no,
break for you.
yeah.
And you don't will get beat.
no, maybe just for one and then back. No, don't risk
The
it.
next one, don't open. Now that
Here comes Josie.
she's coming.
So he's got the whole breaking thing down.
Yeah. Oh wow! Wow. Trying to stand up. Yes. You want to go around? No, I'm okay. I'll go around you over there. Okay. He says he thinks this one we're all tandem because the wire dips. You need the weight to continue all the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
We won't make it.
Ulysses has a lot of weight with me and his backpack and my backpack.
Woo! Look at that one.
Is this a long one?
Yes. Oh, he's gonna tandem the couple. Tandem. All right, Andre. Uno, dos, tres. Uno, dos, tres. He's clipped in. I think so.
Okay, Jose, pasajeros en línea. Okay, walk a little bit.
Walk a little bit.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh my god!
Very good.
I'm
Okay.
thank you.
Okay.
I missed the sign.
I should have
again.
yelled at you. Break. Sorry, I meant to do that. I meant to tell you to break.
Don't worry, you're okay. Give me 5.
Ah, thank you, Jose.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Nice job.
Nice job. We did it.
That was
a
fun.
long one.
That was fun.
Here we're gonna make the opposite.
Opposite.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna go behind you.
Uh-huh.
So nervous.
Oh, I know. Ew, that's all it takes.
That's no better
It's everything clear, right? We're gonna brake for 10 seconds first, then hands over your pulley again until you see the first signal. This one you should be brake for second time. Then this one means hold here, head to the right side, and lean back. Okay?
Yeah, I might have broke with the wrong hand, so I'll make this sure
Yes.
the right hand this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Because
When
I'm gonna
you-
start-
when you tandemed with me. You
it
had
was
your
the
left hand.
Yeah.
Didn't brake on the last one?
No, I did brake on the
I
with the
didn't
left
see
hand.
him.
Oh,
Yeah.
let him.
Yeah,
She
left hand.
was-
See,
she was
see,
in
this
my
one's
way.
clean.
I couldn't see.
And I didn't yell brake. I should have yelled brake.
Sure.
But see,
forget
this
to
is here, but this one's clean. So
Okay. Right hand here, okay?
right hand.
R, pasajero en línea. Okay, sit down now, please. Remember, head to right
Turn on
side.
camera. Oh, her camera's on.
My camera's.
One.
You turned it on for me,
It's
right?
on, it's on. Yep.
Okay.
One,
I was talking to my camera.
Oh,
one,
that's right.
2, 3. Let's go. Very hard, very hard.
I dropped my water.
Yeah, yeah.
Dang it.
For the Pachamama.
Sorry.
Don't worry. Chihuahua. Don't worry. We're sorry. Please, can you down a little more, please?
Okay. I guess I shouldn't try, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
It's considered good. You made an offering to Pachamama.
I guess, but it should be open so the water can drain out. So. Here comes Paulette.
Right. Right. Keep going. Don't break. Head down.
On the orange. Head down.
Yes. Very good.
I break this time, Jose. Not bad. 1 for 3.
Give me 5. Good job, everybody. Start to going down, please, for a minute.
There's Josephine. Good up. Good job. She doesn't have to break at all.
Are you on?
Yes, it's recording. 1,
Okay.
2. One hand here.
Of course.
Let's go. Sorry.
Bien, María.
Gracias.
Una mano acá, otra acá y uno más acá. Eso.
Okay.
Pasajero en línea. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Good
1,
job.
2, 3, 4.
Senta ahí, luego vamos a...
Paulette.
Again.
Here she comes.
Good job.
Okay.
Turn off the alarm, please. This side? Okay.
Hi.
These guys are climbing for they are doing the no, this is like a daily tour.
Oh, the vacation.
Occasion. Until tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
Sit down now,
so-
please.
Sit down, put my legs around. Okay, let me touch the orange.
Yes.
Put my legs on you.
When you do ready.
Okay, we're going.
There's Josefina. The Zipline adventure is almost over. Look at how close we are. All right, there's Josie and Paulette. Let's see if we can see our pods. No, we
So
can't.
exciting.
Oh, there's our pods right above
Right
us.
above us. Look up there. Look up there.
There's our pods. Wow.
See, I told you you could have taken my backpack, Andre. One more?
Yours is little.
Fresh and water.
Yeah, sends my waters on the mountain. Yeah. And then a picture with you? Yes.
Picture with me.
Obviously, right? Of course.
Extra. Look
Yeah.
at the sun coming through. That's nice. Oh, there.
Cuando me hace señal lo mismo le ves.
And
I know.
we were there.
We were there.
900 feet up.
Yep.
I'm just gonna round it up to 1,000.
Okay guys, so we're gonna wait for Mavic here because this couple should be out on the train station at 10:45.
Right?
That's what the reason.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go, we'll leave and then we can continue. We're gonna tell you the time.
No problem.
Take your time.
They can swim across the river.
They can take a shortcut.
Yeah, take a shortcut.
Tell them to zip line to the train station.
I would like it.
Are you talking about in Ollantaytambo
Or this one? Or in Ollantaytambo?
Oh, you made them.
Oh, they're not going to
This
make
is
it.
not a train station.
Oh, it's a freight. Oh, a hub.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Marcelina.
Give me 5,
Excellent.
please. That's all. Thank you very much for
Excellent.
visiting us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome.
Go, Paulette. Yay, Paulette.
Perfect.
Mm.
Now I have to climb one more time.
Here they go. Here comes Josephine.
Gracias. Oh, she's totally in the bushes because they're heavy. Because it's double.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, your cell phone thingy
Oh,
is attached.
Okay.
Mrs. sorry. Give me
Oh!
5.
Paulette.
That's okay. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jose.
Maria?
Yay!
Go, Josie.
Good job breaking. Good job breaking.